profile's really popping off, but I need someone to check my vitals, 'cause inside something's off. 'Cause I put up a picture and it got a bunch of likes, but I really only did it so my mom knows I'm alive. 'Cause I got a bunch of problems that I failed to doesn't fix. If you did, it wouldn't do it justice. 'Cause in real life, I'm really lonely when I'm offline. Nobody knows me. I got a ton of friends on the internet. They don't really know that I'm faking it in real life. 'Cause I'm really lonely. Got a ton of friends on the internet. I'm really lonely. I wish I had someone to talk to, but I don't know if I know how. I used to have a personality, but now I'm just a shell of me. Living in reality's too hard. 'Cause in real life, I'm really lonely when I'm offline. Nobody knows me. I got a ton of friends on the internet. They don't really know that I'm faking it in real life. 'Cause I'm really lonely. I'm really lonely. Typed out all my feelings, but I know I'll hit delete. 'Cause the caption couldn't capture all the sad inside of me. So I'll post another story at this bar before